Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Tucson brake light. First, gather your tools. A new brake light bulb, typically a 7440 or 7443, and both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety before you begin any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, open your trunk to locate the two retaining screws holding the taillight assembly in place. These are usually visible once the trunk is open. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to release it from its clips. Avoid twisting or prying. With the taillight assembly free, you'll see the bulb sockets. Identify the brake light socket, usually the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out from the socket. Insert your new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reinstall the bulb socket by aligning it and twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Carefully push the taillight assembly back into its position on the vehicle, ensuring the clips engage properly. Reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Finally, test your new brake light by having someone press the brake pedal while you observe. Also, check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.